Parents. The first thing that I will prove, we are going to prove the theorem. In the theorem, you have to know the statement and the reason.
You know, some learners, if you say the reason is given, it will be shown in exam. Everything will be given. If you say this is given, in exam, everything is given. No any other reason. Every reason is given.
Yeah, that's all. Then, the opposite sides and angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of and angles of a parallelogram are what? Equal. Okay, let's check the diagram. This is a parallelogram. And remember, the parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. This is the parallelogram A, B, listen. A, B with the C, D. This one is A, B, C, D. We are given this. Prove that the opposite sides of and the angles of parallelograms are equal. You are given the diagram like this in example. Then required to prove. Required to prove. We are proving that A, which one is the opposite? AB is equal to what? DC, or CD. Or we are proving what? AD, is equal to what? BC, or we are proving what? Angle what? Angle A is equal to what?
Angle C.
Angle C, or
Angle B.
Angle B
What's angle B?
equals angle D. We are proving that.
Yes.
Then required to prove. Now, they said proof, they said proof. I'm giving them a proof now. Proof. If you look at this parallelogram, we have to construct some of the lines. Join construction. Join B, A, so join AC and BD. Join AC and what? BD. I'm going to join. After joining, we have 1, 2. 1, 2. Then I have 1, 2, and what? 1, 2. I have this. Then from there, I will do this using the Holy Cross. My Holy Cross is this one. I will write statement. I will write the reason here. Okay, guys. Two lines that are parallel, opposite pairs, they are parallel. And in some of the angles, they are alternate. You write what is there. Let's start. Angle what? Angle A1. Angle A1 is equal to C2. And then the rest is what? Alternate angles. But you have to write the lines that are parallel, right?
Yeah.
Which lines are parallel?
AB.
AD, BC. Then which one? Angle A1 is equal to this one. Properly?
Yeah.
These two, they are parallel. So far, then. Okay. Another one? A what? A2 equals to C1.
Yes.
And then A2. Eh? A2 is equals to
C1.
C1. And then alternate angles. Which sides are parallel? AB. AB parallel to what?
DC.
DC. Another one.
And then B2 is equal to angle B1.
Angle
B2
angle B2 is equals to
angle B1.
angle B1.
B2.
Angle D2 equals to angle B. Okay. B2 equals to angle D1. And then equals to angle D1. And then the reason alternate angles. Then if you are focusing, we are focusing on this line. Look at which is AD parallel to what? To BC. Another one. Another one. B1. And then B1. B1 and then is equals to D2. Alternate angles. And then which side are you focusing on?
AB.
AB.
Yeah.
AB
Parallel to DC.
parallel to what?
DC.
Guys, can you see that if you are talking about the sides, if you are talking about this triangle, get what?
Yeah.
And this triangle again. And then we have a common side here. Also done.
Yeah.
With what?
Common side.
It means that AC is equal to AC. And then
Yeah.
which is AC equals to AC. Then common. Which triangles are common now?
Triangle ABC.
Triangle what? A, B, C,
Is common to angle ABC.
A, B, C. And then
Yeah.
look, this angle. Everyone, you said it was this angle. Also done. Yeah? This angle. It was this angle. And then? And again, you said which angle? This angle. And then? Zone. You said it was what? Let's check. You said this angle equals this angle. And then? And this side is what? Common. Pose one, eh? And the other one? B what? B2 equals to B1. And the D2 equals to B1. And then it means that the opposite sides of a parallelogram, they are, the opposite angles, they are equal. Proper, this, even this one equal to this one. Proper, that's right. Triangle what? A, B, C is congruent to what? Triangle A, D, C. Proper, A, D, C. Okay. What's the reason now?
Angle side.
Which is the side, and then we have the side which is common, and then and what? An angle. And what? An angle. No problem? If the side is common, and what? Angle. And what? And another angle. No problem? It means that angle V is the same as angle D, we know. No problem? Opposite side of what? A parallelogram. Remember, the opposite sides are parallel and they are equal. And the opposite sides are parallel and what? And equal. Super. And the opposite angles are also what? Equal. Super. This one, it proves the parallelograms. The sides and the angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay. Which means in the exam, I know we'll give you different stuff. But the only thing is, you relate this with grade 9. So far, relate this with what? Grade 9. If two sides are parallel, what do we do? Then we relate this with what? Grade 9. No problem? Okay, let me give you something as an example. Go to Taga. I want to give you something. DELM is a parallelogram. And you are given this is a parallelogram. It is D, M, E, and R. And here is 10 centimeters. This is 2x. This x parallel. And this one again, they are also parallel. The first question. Calculate the value of x and hence the size of the interior. Angles. Number 2, if GE is equal to 2 times GM and ML equals to 10 centimeters. Determine the length of the other sides of DELM. Okay. Let's try to solve.
Yes.
If you check here, we have two values of x. We've got 2x and what? And x. It means that we start there. Two sides are parallel. I mean, what's going on? I'm taking this one because from the papers that we get, it's an activity there. It means that we're going to start there. 2x plus what? X.
X
equals to
180 degrees.
180. And then
Yeah.
they are called interior. Write it down. 2x plus x equals to 180 degrees. Then you give the reason. Interior, co-interior. Tell me. That's a co-interior angle. Then don't forget to indicate the lines that are parallel. Parallel? The co-interior angle. Can you solve for x then?
Yeah, x is equal to 60 degrees.
He's saying x equals to 60. 60 degrees. If x is 60, what is the size of this angle?
180.
180.
And he is what? 60 degrees. What's it funny?
From there, what is the size of angle L? Angle L. 120. With the reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram. So far, what is the size of angle L? 60 degrees. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. So far, then you are done with the first one. Number 2, they are saying if DE equals to 2 times what? dm. And ml is equals to 10. Determine the length of the other side.